Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlung.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. I record myself doing that daily target. Let's load up today's. Uh, like yesterday, this is one of those three gradient solutions. No new elements are needed. And the three gradients for me are an initial radial gradient 1Q that is transparent in the middle, has a radius of, I don't know, 50 pixels, something like that. Actually, it might be 100. Maybe it's 100. 100. And then is red on the outside. And there it is. The next gradient is a conic gradient. Actually, in this case, I think I will do a repeating conic gradient, which repeats whatever the color stops are until, around the circle, whether that's 100% or 360 degrees. Transparent is the second color, 0, 50%. Now you can't see what I've done there, but now you will see it if I put a color behind it. So there's that additional thing. And then the next is another radial gradient. And this one, oh, and we have an interesting black color that we can do with 111. And that radius is, it looks like it's 60 pixels. And then the other color is this orange off yellow. Submit. Let's make sure that that's 100% match. And yeah, okay. And so these are the second two gradients are the vital parts, right? There's another way to do so: minimize, 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 and submit. Okay, so what if we did it? Did I do unit replacement? I don't think I have any units to replace. If I do nested template and I put those backgrounds on that element, there we get that guy right there. And then I do a border radius of 50%. And then I put the red and then adjust those numbers down to 30, 40, 41, 42, 60, 80, 92. And we have the same basic solution, right? Let's submit that. See if we get 100% match. Just got to make sure that we're getting 100% pixel for pixel match with the back end. Yeah, and we do. Minify, unit replace, chop off the last. And so that's two gradients in this case. There are more exotic ways to do this one too, but not all that interesting to me. And that ends up not being a better score. Now, is there a way to do, there would be optimizations that could be made, I believe. Oh, I think I can remove the 1Q there if I do that, which it's still, I still need to add that second color stop if I do that. Conic gradient can't be, so if I do it all out, conic gradients here are 25 and then 0, 50, and then white 0, 75%, and then minify again. Is that better? I don't think that's any better. I think it's probably more characters. Yeah, it's not better in it for the way I'm doing it. Are there other optimizations to be made? Yes, always, always. This is a fine solution, but it is not ever going to be one of the top 10 solutions of other players who play this game or who do these challenges. I think of it more as a non-competitive game. But the leaderboards, it is fun to see those best players and fun to see those best solutions. I don't look at them on these videos. You can go look at them. Get yourself a subscription to CSS Battle. Well worth it. I enjoy it. Try it out, and you can see what capabilities you've got. I think it's worth supporting. But that's it. Carry on. Have a great day. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Go make a web page. The web pages they need to be built, and you can build them. It's fun to write code. Look how fun this is. All right. Get out of here. Bye.